Well, look at where we are. Chapter 3 Moon. You can see I got almost all superior. This one doesn't really count. I have the alien crystals on here, which is the main thing. Alien crystals and everything else, that don't matter. That's just boring. Look, Heaven's Fruit, 75 power, that don't really matter. Those don't matter. But this is what it's all about. Now I'll show you my treasures and see if I'm ready. I don't have Mysterious Force because I forgot to bring it. I didn't do the stage with a treasure up chance, so that's bad for me. But even if I did, I probably would get like a bronze or silver because I didn't really do that great in the stage. I was getting flashbacks. I don't have this, which doesn't really matter. It's only for red enemies. Now this is kind of bad, since Raging Bahamut he's definitely a floating enemy. He definitely is. So, and then Heaven's Fruit. I'm surprised I did the floating continent without superior Heaven's Fruit. But if I'm being honest, I just permafreeze all the boars, except for the third one. We destroyed the base before we even killed that last boar. And this one, that don't really matter. And then this one, I need to do the moon. So, yeah. I need to make a loadout. This is the loadout I use. You can pretty much see, I just permafreeze the boar. This is just worse for freaking Seafarer. But you do have a high chance of freezing. But I don't think you're gonna be good here. I don't think Buffalo has enough range to outrange like Raging Bahamut, but he's resistant, but he's not that high level though. Oh yeah, by the way, I got the Crazed Titan right here. I need to get him level 10. So the thing I'm worried about is if I take too long, those freaking camels are gonna spawn and just kill me. So I'm trying to. I think Urwan would be good. Any anti-alien crowd controllers? You're not important. I think Solar Cat gets outrange. I'm not sure. I think freezing is better since you kind of do outrange Raging Bahamut. I can't really think of what else to put in. Prisoner may be good, but yet again, I think I should just go with a fourth meat shield, since that's what the guide told me to use. So yeah, go ahead and do a stage. So they said if you can beat Golden Continent, you should be able to beat Moon. I'm not too sure about that since I pretty much cheesed it by permafreezing Boar. Dang, brother, chill. Bruh, did you really have to kill him right now? Okay. So what you want to do, I guess, is just lure Boar. That sounded way off. You want to lure Raging Bahamut, bruh. Man, I cannot think today. I think I'm doing too much. No. No, you're not gonna hit the base. Nope, you're not. No. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, don't make Raging Bahamut come out yet. When does he come out? It's taking quite a long time on like freaking Floating Continent. The board just came out like a meat. Yeah, we're definitely screwed. Oh, there goes my attempt. Run was supposed to be my saving grace. Oh, Cyclops, do your thing, Cyclops. I love you, Cyclops. Well, look at that. Oh no, the lemurs are coming. I hate the lemurs. Oh my god. Die. Bruh, how are we doing this? Gravello, get your butt out of here, bruh. Come on. Let's do this. Bahamut. I think I just made him miss a shot, but I don't care at all. Well, Gravello died. That's bad. Cyclops got knocked back. That's bad. Bahamut died. That's bad. Raging Bahamut in the base. That's bad. Oh my goodness. I wish I still had my cat food. I ain't using no cat combo. Man, what you talking about? I don't have my sniper anymore. That's bad. But yeah, I got nothing. He just killed the base. Like, what am I supposed to do? Freeze him? Nah, bruh. Every single freezing unit I have, it freaking gets one shot. It gets one shot. Oh my goodness. Bro, what is that noise? Sorry if you guys hear that. I don't know what that noise is. Macho legs. You killed them. Well, I didn't mean it literally. Thank you. Okay, yeah, this is what I need to do. Just stall for a bit longer. Don't let them hit the base. No. Bad. Hey, get off the base, buddy. Okay, what the thing is I wasn't ready. Okay. Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah, we're definitely screwed if this is happening, bruh. Like, why don't they send out any more alien enemies, bruh? Like, bruh, give me something like, give me Mr. Celebudo or something. Give me a Celebudo or something. Bro. Give me El Celebudo. I need to upgrade faster. Yeah. They don't do that much damage to the base to where Raging Bahamut comes out, which is good. That's good. Get your bit out of me, bruh. Okay, just thank you, Uber. Thank you. No. No, get away. Get on. Yeah. I bet you like that, huh? Yeah, beat him up. Okay, now the lemur and Mr. Celebudo come out. Oh, nice freeze. Oh, we knocked him back. Oh my goodness. Okay, do not waste my money on Bahamut. Since we have Woo Run. So keep that in mind. Okay, Bahamut, go away. Yeah, get freeze, my boy. I'm worried about that camel. But I shouldn't. Bro, we're literally freezing him, bro. Okay, bro, we're literally, dude is getting bullied now. He is getting bullied. Bruh, I may be the luckiest man on earth, bruh. Oh my god, how are we doing this? Why did I send out Gravolo? I was not paying attention to what I was doing. Gravolo, you're gonna kill the run. I already know. Oh, we may do this. We may kill him. Oh my god, we're getting so lucky with these freezes, bro. Oh my god, Gravolo, please. You're just a uber meat shield, bro. You're just resistant. And sometimes unleash a weight, and you have a 100% wave. Thank you. Die. Oh my god, please. Oh my, you died to my meat shield, huh? Bro, that mohawk, bro. Did you guys see? He died to a meat shield, bro. Can you guys believe that? Oh my god, I'm saying that word too much. I may need to get age restricted. Oh my god, please. I think I have to do the. Oh my god. Okay. Yep. Yeah. This is the end game. We're in the end game, guys. We're in end game. Yo, thank you. You know what? I'm not gonna make you guys sit through this. No, yes. No, I have to blur that. Heck nah, it don't look like I got the money for that. Heck nah. Defeat Raging Bahamut. Heck yeah. Okay. Defeat R. Ross in a level 2 Stories of Legend. Do you think I got time for that? Do you seriously think I got time for that? Okay. Okay, roll it. What do I get? Axe Cat.
Excuse me, what is
What
NP?
the heck is NP? Guys, can you guys tell me what NP is? What is NP? Sure, give me NP. One NP, but that's still fine. Okay. Hey, Bahamut. I see you have that little evolve button. We awakened you. And now, look at that. They say the power to obliterate Earth is already his. Freed of the suit which shackled his power. And speed is unmatched. Area attack. We're in the end game, guys. We're in the end game. What am I talking about? We're literally in mid game. I want crazed gross. Give me crazed gross. Catamins. I know you guys are gonna say some, oh, don't buy the catamins with cat food in the comments, bruh. But there's literally no other thing that I can do besides June Bride Part 2 that gives me Catamin C's. I do not need Catamin C's. Wait, no. That gives you lucky tickets. Which give you Catamins. Ooh, but it's gotcha, man. This is a guaranteed chance. It's guaranteed. Just use cat food. I'm not paying for XP, no, bruh. That is a crime against humanity. Gimme. I want crazed gross. Where's crazed gross? The crazed gross. New cat combo. Man, what is this? Headbanger's ball. Is that it? Oh, look. 3 kings. Dragon Aquarium. Okay. Is that all? Is that Master Apprentice? Girlish Innocence. Oh my god, how many? Okay, that's it. Thank you. I'ma do crazy gross. Oh my god, guys. I finally did crazy gross. Do you guys love that? If I lose, I lose. If I win, I win. No, bad. Yes. Yes, I feel so good about myself. Bro, the average Battle Cat's guide be like... Guys, that's literally the easiest crazed cat, guys. That's literally the easiest crazed cat. Do not listen to what people say it's crazed cat or this or that. Do not listen to them. It's crazed gross, guys. I totally beat it without any true forms, guys. I totally beat it with no true forms, guys. Hey, look, we got our 30 cat food back, and ooh, would you look at that? Would you look at that? I love that. I love seeing that face. I love seeing that. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Starting out cheaper than Crazed Titan, man. Bro, what? Okay, that's it for this 20-minute long video. Oh, wait. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And, hold on. Let me get my. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna end the video soon. Chill. Yeah, I finally got Crazy Grows. Yay, guys. 100% complete, guys. Guys, I finally did Crazy Grows. Bro, this is like. That was like 2 minutes, bruh. Okay, the crazed lizard. Do you guys want to see me do the Atrix? Oh my god, mate. Oh my. I'm gonna shut up and end the video, and then I'm gonna cry myself to sleep in a corner. So, I hope you guys liked the video. Bye.